In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can join a Discord server without the actual link to the server. The process is pretty straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so the thing to take note of here is that you're going to be needing to use the desktop version of Discord. So once you're on the desktop version of Discord and you're logged in, you can see at the bottom left-hand corner, it says Explore Public Servers. You can click on the Explore Public Servers and you can type anything in here. You can type NFT and then hit search. It'll bring you up all the NFT servers. You can type Roblox. If you know the specific name of the server, you can do that as well. So this NFT Wizards is a server on Discord. I can search that, then simply just click on the server, and then you'll be joining the server just like that. And that's pretty much the process of how you can discover servers and find servers without having the link. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.